Mama.
Can I just change my name?
Oh, what is up, guys? Guess what I'm making today? I am making 2 healthy toddler green smoothies in honor of St. Patrick's Day and my green shirt, my only green shirt that I have, and it's my favorite color, which I don't know why I don't have more green stuff. But anyways, they're all so nourishing, satiating, and the best part is that I add some healthy fats for them. Come on, let's go make some smoothies. Oh, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe down below, and don't forget to ding the bell, ding, ding, ding. Okay, friends, that's it for the video. Hope you love the smoothie recipes and hope you get the opportunity to make them because they're so delicious. Anyways, have a lovely, lovely St. Patrick's Day.